First, tap CarPlay on the screen. Open Settings on your iPhone. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on. Then disconnect from current Wi-Fi. Enable Bluetooth. Find the device's Bluetooth name on the screen. And pair the Bluetooth. Allow contacts and favorites sync. Then click Connect to CarPlay. This may take around 5 seconds to 2 minutes. Now you can use navigation, music, calls, messages, and Siri directly on the screen. To disconnect CarPlay, just turn off Wi-Fi on your iPhone. First, switch the screen to AirPlay mode. Connect your iPhone to the screen's Wi-Fi using the password. Please note, CarPlay and AirPlay cannot be used at the same time. Next, open Control Center on your iPhone and tap Screen Mirroring. With AirPlay, you can mirror your iPhone screen directly to the display. Turn off Portrait Orientation Lock and rotate your iPhone. Then rotate your phone horizontally to fill the screen. The full screen view may vary depending on whether the app supports landscape mode. To stop mirroring, open Screen Mirroring and tap Stop Mirroring. Switch the screen to AirPlay mode. To use this feature, download the VJray app from the App Store first. Follow the steps to add the screen's dashcam. Find the screen's Wi-Fi network and connect using the password. With this feature, you can also view the dashcam's live recording directly on your iPhone in real time. You can connect the screen's dashcam to your phone and easily play back, download, or share recorded videos.